Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? Yo, we back in here real quick. I'm about to open up this package from Devin Williams. Shout out to Devin Williams. Man, I forgot his trucking company name. Remember, he said he was sending me some stuff, so let's open up this package, see what we got. I think it's a shirt he sent me, but we about to see. Let's check it out. Boom. All right, that's what's up. I appreciate it. Let's check out the shirt, y'all. Boom, look at that, y'all. Shout out to Devin. Sent me the shirt. That's dope. Trucking saved my life. Let's get it. It did. That's a fact. Y'all see it? Trucking saved my life. So shout out to Devin for the t-shirt. We're gonna rock this. Y'all see me with this on in the video soon. But yeah. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. What's good, family? I know we're in the building. We back in the building with another one. So why do I still feel like some of you guys are probably still on the fence right now because you've probably listened to someone that's not in this industry, that's probably on YouTube, not in the business, and they're saying it's not a good time still to get in the trucking space. The next time you go on the interstate, this is what I want you to do. The next time you go on the interstate or you go anywhere, just look at the trucks that are still moving out here, y'all. Look at the trucks that are still moving. It's kind of like a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer that trucks are still making money in this space. I don't care if it's 18-wheelers. I don't care if it's box trucks, 26, 24, 16-footers. There's a niche in trucking that is always going to be profitable. I want you guys to understand that for a second. It's going to be profitable, whether fuel prices go up or fuel prices go down. The market is going to correct itself. It's going to correct itself. Now, when we get to the point to where nothing's being shipped or nothing is moving anywhere, then that's the time to panic. But as of right now, oh, the money's still moving out here. Whether you participate in it or not, the money is still moving. The money is still moving. The bread is out here, trust me. Trust and believe. The bread is still out here. Now, I got some loads scheduled for next week that I'm gonna be running. Some Amazon runs next week. So, listen, that operation is a 24/7 operation. I don't run 24/7. But if I wanted to, I could. Of course, within my hours of service. But I wanted to create this video because I know sometimes you can be swayed by misinformation out there in the market. But I really need you to do your due diligence. Like, research, and you'll see what type of money is in the logistics industry. Not only on the driver's side or on the operator side, but there's dispatching, there's brokering, there's so much. There's so many different phases of trucking, so many different opportunities that you could create for yourself. And I don't want to see you guys miss out on an opportunity that you could take advantage of. You know, and like I said before, this is definitely one of the industries that I invested my money in, and I immediately saw a return. Immediately saw a return. The business is still lucrative. Why do I know it's still lucrative? Because I'm always reaching out to the students that are in my course program, right? And I like to check up on them just to see how things are going. And they're still making money. They're still making money. They're still excited about this opportunity. This business has changed my life, and I'm sure it's going to change many other people's lives that decide to get into business. There's a lot of niches within trucking. So I don't want you guys to think that, getting a box truck is the only way to get into business. Yes, you can get a box truck. Yes, you can get a driver. There's a lot of things that you can do in the trucking space. Like, this is one of those niches, one of those fields that is very lucrative. Very lucrative. Very lucrative. Like, let me show y'all something. Like, you see Old Yeller right here, right? Old Yeller number 2. And then you see that power unit, right? Semi power unit. There's typically another one that's usually parked right here, but he's out getting money. I really just want you guys to understand, like, it's a lot of opportunities in this space right here. A lot of opportunities in the trucking space. One of the few spaces that I tapped into and really saw how the earning potential was there. I mean, a nice earning potential to where you can invest your money and start seeing it coming back. You can start seeing it come back. Just set it up right. Once you set it up right, you can win. You can win. A bigger question that I get asked is, would I buy a brand new truck? Would I buy a brand new truck in the trucking space? Absolutely. Absolutely. What beyond a shadow of a doubt, I would buy a brand new truck if I wanted to. Like, if I were new looking at this business, would I go out here and invest in a brand new vehicle? I had somebody else that hit me up on Instagram, and they was telling me they just, they interested in my mentorship program, and tapping in with me, doing some consultations, but they just went out and bought them a brand new truck. And I'm like, bro, do what you got to do. Take whatever information you have right now and go make your money. And when you feel like you need my assistance, I'm here. But even investing about $80,000 in, you're going to make your money back. Once you really start understanding cost per mile, you guys. Understanding cost per mile is always going to make your rate per mile make sense. When you don't know your cost per mile, and you're taking loads and you're looking at your rate per mile and you freestyling, you're gonna lose. I'm gonna say it again. If you don't know your cost per mile and you're just taking any rate per mile and don't really understand what your operating cost is, you're gonna lose. You're freestyling your business. You don't want to freestyle your business. You hear me say this all the time on lives. I talk about it inside of my course. Just breaking a little more things down inside the course. But you don't want to freestyle your business. You don't want to freestyle your business. I would get a brand new truck. I would have no issues getting a brand new truck. Like, in the back of my mind, I would not be nervous or scared if I'm about to invest this amount of money in the space. This is what I want y'all to realize. How long has trucking been around? How long has trucking been around? Now, just because we all kind of getting hip to it, getting hip to the owner-operator side of the business, how long has trucking been around? Has it went anywhere? Has it went anywhere? No, it hasn't went anywhere. Trucking has been around before I was born, basically. And I'm 48. It's been around that long. I know so many truck drivers in the past that have, they weren't owner operators, but they drove for companies. You feel what I'm saying? So it's been around for a long time. It's just really getting kind of hot now because people are looking at it as a source of revenue for themselves now, or starting their own companies, and people are starting companies. Nobody really wants to, work a job these days. So people are starting their own businesses. And trucking is one of those businesses that you can start and make some great income. Shout out to the 2 subscribers that I ran into. One I ran into off Independence at the rim shop. Shout out to you. You did give me a plug for a diesel mechanic out in Monroe, North Carolina, which is right down the street from Charlotte. And I ran into another one of you guys. You told me how it inspired you to want to get in the business and start doing your thing. Ran into you at the play thing for the kids. I have my grandkids out there. Shout out to you. I didn't get your name, but shout out to you for tapping into the content. And I'm glad I was able to inspire you to start looking at some other means of creating revenue for your family. Here's what I know. You watch me, you follow me for a reason. You seen where I came from. You probably seen my entire journey. I know this one thing beyond a shadow of a doubt. If you want another level of life, you're gonna need some help. There's no way you're gonna get to that level you really want to be at on your own. I like to be that help. And that's why I was so excited to create my 6-figure box truck biz course that's already changing lives, as well as my mentorship program. So tap in, get tapped into the system, get plugged into the system. If not my system, get plugged into somebody's system that's going to be able to show you and teach you exactly what you need to do to have a successful business. I want you guys to always remember this. The average person is a quitter. We quit on so many things. We quit jobs. We quit workouts. We quit businesses that we start. We quit relationships. It's just so many things that we quit on in life. And I just don't want this to be an opportunity that you guys pass up on, especially getting misinformation out here. So tap in, man. I'm glad I'm still here. I'll be glad to help you if you still want to tap in and get your business up and running. If you've taken what I've already shared on my channel and applied it and are using that in your business and you've gotten your business started, kudos to you. If you were able to do it on your own, kudos to you. But to get to that very next level, I'm talking about that other level, you're going to need some help. I needed help to get myself to the next level in my life. So I know if I couldn't do it on my own, you more than likely would not be able to do it on your own. These are just facts I'm spitting right now. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel so that you can continue getting these notifications. And you already know what it is. Always hustle, never stop going. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV.
On the wrong track, back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also, she told me